As I told you that the mixture of solids, so two or more solids or two solids can be separated by three methods. That one we have already did by the use of particular solvent, in which the one component is soluble and the other is not soluble. We have done that, right? The example, the sand and the mixture of sand and the salt, right? The second is the sublimation, we already did, and the third technique which is used to separate, that is by taking into the consideration a special property of one of the solid. So here I am going to demonstrate that. So I have a mixture of sand and iron. I have put iron nails into it because instead of this iron nails, you can also put the iron fillings as well, because they'll also show the same property. So for this, what I've did, I've taken a petri dish. As you can see, it has a mixture of sand and iron nails, and this is a magnet. What I'm going to do this, I'm just going to use this magnet, and as you know, iron get attracted to this magnet, so it is going to stick. All the iron fillings or iron nails will get stick to this magnet, leaving behind the other component. So as you can see the one we have already excited, the other. So similarly, we will be doing for the other as well. So that means all the iron objects or fillings or whatever, like we did the example of iron with sulfur, all the iron particles or iron fillings will get stick to the magnet, leaving behind the sand. As we took the iron objects and we took a sand, so sand is just left behind in the petri dish, and all the iron particles which get attracted towards the magnet are separated. So this is how we are going to use a special property like a magnet we use in this case.